go over the setup a little bit more. So 3 points have to touch: your head, your mid-back, your butt. They cannot come off during the entire time you're practicing the endeavor. Finding neutral here is a great way to get feedback compared to vertical. If you're gonna find neutral though, you need to bend your knees, because what happens when you're here and you're already tight is you're locking out and you're not giving yourself the ability to move your pelvis. So you need to bend your knees, have the stick be vertical. The other thing I've noticed is people are either pulling it or they're leaned back and they're trying to find neutral from a non-vertical position. The stick is against you, you are conforming to the stick, your knees are bent, and you're going to slide up for anterior pelvic tilt 100%, slide down 100% for posterior pelvic tilt, and when you go 100%, 100%, when the stick is vertical and your knees are bent, it's easy for you to find your neutral. Then when you come up, your knees should be straight but unlocked. And then it's a little bit of stomach, no booty. Your booty is not allowed to hold you there. It is hold, you should be able to breathe, unlock your butt, knees are straight but unlocked. Okay, so that's a lot of parameters. 3 points touching, neutral, no butt, knee straight, unlocked. Okay, now that you're here, it is this space that you're always staring at. This is my neutral. Your space could be bigger, your space could be smaller. Either way, you're staring at it in the mirror. Because when you do the exercise, the space should stay the same, and you're staring at it to stay the same, which means you're going slowly. Now, if you go forward and it gets bigger, don't keep going. Fix it where you messed up. Do not stand back up again, okay? So if you messed up, you fix it. If this space disappears, you messed up, it's okay, fix it. Because what you'll do is you'll start learning what muscles you're maintaining in order to complete the full range. If you can only go this far correctly and you're shaking and you're dying, hang out here, perfect it. Perfect making sure your feet are even, your knees are even, that the space is how you want it to be. You're done with your stretch, come back up. If you hang out there for a minute or two, 10 days later, you're gonna get a little bit lower. And of course, your goal is to be able to get here without having to bend your knees. That way you are stretching the posterior capsule of your hip as well as your posterior chain so that you can do a safe squat and a safe deadlift and come up without changing your pelvis greatly.